Welcome back everyone. So today I'm going to do a little video on how to clean prawns. I feel like lately I've had so many lovely looking, delicious tasting prawns from different restaurants and takeaways, but the only thing that lets them down is the fact that they haven't cleaned them. And now when I say clean them, I mean the big black intestine that runs down the back of the prawn. It's a 2-second job. It might take a bit longer actually if you're inexperienced, but just practice and then you'll get quicker and quicker. There are so many different methods. You could look on YouTube, but you're here now, so you're looking on my channel. So thanks for watching. So I got these lovely looking prawns from Costco. They're only £9, $9.65, which is actually a really good price for like whole Argentinian red prawns. So they are supposed to be red. They're not cooked. They are raw. It's just the variety that they are. And just under a tenner for this big pack is a really, really decent price. When you look at how much these cost around the world, yeah, we're pretty lucky really that we can, you know, grab a lovely looking pack of prawns for under a tenner. Let's go. So as you can see, I'm sitting in the garden now, but I will play some music just to fill in the silence really. I hope you enjoy it. can see, all you need is a sharp pair of kitchen scissors and just cut down the back of that shell and just use your fingers just to remove the intestine. And that is how you clean your prawns. There's no reason why, you know, the chef or whoever's prepping prawns in any takeaway or restaurant can't allocate 10 extra minutes just to clean them properly. There's no excuse. Look, it's very quick, it's very easy. And it makes all the difference as well. Done. That's the last one. It's done. It took less than 10 minutes to clean those. Right, so I'm done. It took less than 10 minutes to clean those. There is no excuse. I haven't finished cleaning them though. I'm going to trim the legs and these things when I get indoors. Because I'm outside, it's attracting quite a few flies. So yeah, you've seen how to do it. There's no excuse. So next time I try pepper prawns, I'm hoping that they're going to be cleaned thoroughly. There's no excuse. Anyway guys, that's it from me. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe and hype it up. I'll see you in the next one.